For today's look, I've come up with a very classic smoky eye makeup look. It is one of those looks that looks very flattering on so many people. I have lots of tips and tricks to share with you guys to make sure it works perfectly for you. If you wonder what a smoky eye look is, it is kind of creating a smoke effect that is a deep dark color that fades into nothing. So without any further ado, let's get started. As I've already done my base makeup, I'm applying some translucent powder beneath my eyes to catch any fallout while my eyeshadow application. It's totally up to you to start first with your eye makeup so that even if something goes wrong, you can clean it up easily and then start with your base makeup. Now let's quickly understand how to use colors from your palette, and you can use any palette for that matter. My first shade is what I refer as a base shade, which is a matte shadow matching to the skin tone or can be one shade lighter. Next is a contour shade, which is a few shades darker than your own skin tone. And then we have a mid-tone shade, that is a shade that comes in between the base and contour shade. It is also known as a transition shade. Last, you have a smoky shade. It depends on the smoky eye you want to create. For this look, I'm going to create a black one, and that's why I'm taking a black shade. Now let's get started. My first step is to apply an eye primer or a concealer on my eyelid and making sure it covers my complete eye up to my brows. To create a blank canvas to disguise any discoloration that we might have naturally on eyelids, and also to have something for eyeshadows to hold on to. For my first eyeshadow, I'm going to take my big fluffy brush. This is brush number 224 from Color Bar. I'm taking my base shade, and here I'll be using a trick to get the perfect blend. I will basically apply my base shade only on my crease area up to my brows and avoid applying it on my lids so as to get a perfect base on my crease that will help me in getting an easier and softer blend there. And at the same time, I want my lids to remain little sticky and tacky, so I won't apply my base shade there. For my next step, I'm again taking my same fluffy brush and I'm going with my mid-tone, also called as transition shade. I'll be applying it at the crease, stopping under the brow bone, starting from the outer corner of my eyes, going towards the inner corner in a swiping motion. I'll slowly build up the product and I'll keep blending so as to soften my eyeshadow. Going to next step, for this I'm taking a small fluffy brush so that I have more control over my brush. Now taking the contour shade from my palette, I'll start applying it a bit upwards my lids, which is just the start of my crease, blending the shade with my mid-tone, but at the same time not going too up the crease. Then applying it on my lids and closer to my upper eyelashes, which is the roots of my eyelashes. Try not to go up too high when blending, as it will ruin the look. You want to keep it nice, deep and low. We want to achieve a look which is deep dark on the roots and then fades as it goes upwards. Then I want you to take a flat brush for the smoky shade. I'll apply this shade on the lash line and follow the natural shape of my lash line. Keep your product concentrated on the roots, as we want our base lash line to be really dark for a smoky look. Once I've applied this closer to my lash line, I'll smudge out this line. For this I'm using my same flat brush, but you can use a small fluffy brush if you have one handy. Now remember while smudging that you don't want to move too far up, as you want the darkest shade closer to your lash line. Now you can see I'm going again with my small fluffy brush that I used for my contour shade, and I'm blending it once again just as to soften up the edges and to make it look well blended. Now moving on to my lower lash line, I have again taken that contour shade in my small fluffy brush and I'm applying it closer to my lower lash line, just like this. Now taking a clean brush to remove any fallouts. Then I'm taking my smoky shade again in my flat brush and I'm applying it on my waterline, just like this. Then taking my contour shade again in my small fluffy brush, I'm just blending it together with my smoky shade. Lastly, I've taken a shimmer shade and I'll just apply it in the inner corner of my eyes and I'll apply it on my brow bone area as well. This step is not mandatory, but I like to do it anyways. Then just to finish up my eye look, I'm taking my eyelash curler and I'm curling my eyelashes to really open them up, and then taking my mascara to apply it on my upper eyelashes, and then I'll apply it on my lower eyelashes as well. So that's it, you guys. This is my final smoky eye makeup look. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you learned something new out of this, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also please hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. You can also follow me on my other social media handle. I go with the same name, Dreamboat Sneha, on my Instagram as well. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.